Hello and welcome to Volkswagen Van Centre Liverpool. My name's Charlotte and today we're taking you around this approved used Volkswagen ID Buzz GTX that does come complemented in the mono silver paintwork for that modernised edge. As a fully electric vehicle, it does offer a range up to 255 miles and does provide 340 PS, making it an ideal eco-friendly upgrade. With AC and DC charging capabilities, it is ideal for home and public charging, alongside top features including your IQ Light LED matrix headlights, 21-inch alloy wheels, and even the protection of your power folding wing mirrors, parking sensors and rear view camera. You do also have the convenience of an electronic powered tailgate, revealing more than enough boot capacity with an extra 2 seats for those larger families and storage for all of your daily essentials. And step into luxury with your electric twin sliding doors, revealing a part leather trim with your contrasting stitching and accents for that sporty edge, and even your pull-out trays for those longer trips. And for added comfort, you'd even have your 2 heated seats with 3 different temperature settings, followed in the front by your electronic seat adjustments to get into that required position with ease with your memory feature. This is followed by your multifunctional steering wheel, central touch display screen, and again your stylish edge with your GTX badging and even a full panoramic glass sunroof for added light exposure. Moving on to the steering wheel in further detail, you do have an array of audio functions, including your heated function for the winter, and access to your cockpit display with all of your EV information and added safety features with your adaptive cruise control. And moving across, you do have your navigation to help you around these unfamiliar areas, alongside your app connect and radio stations, which you can enjoy via your Harman Kardon sound system. Again, as this is a fully electric vehicle, you do of course have your on-screen charging information with the option to optimise for further efficiency. And for further efficiency as well, you do even have your heat pump alongside your driving profiles for that personalised driving experience. You do of course have the activation of your sensors and camera with your park assist for those awkward manoeuvres. And for a personalised touch, you do even have access to your variation of ambient lighting with your overall mood and individual colour choices. The front seats do also come with a maximum comfort with a heated function and even a massage feature, alongside your smart climate features as well, followed below by your electronic door controls and pull-out cup holders. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.